Hibiscus are more forgiving and easy to grow plants. Comes in wide range of varieties and colors. Hibiscus genus of over 200 species and many more, including annuals, perennials, shrub and small trees. Its large trumpet-shaped flowers are attractive to butterflies and hummingbirds. Hibiscus love bright condition. Place the plant where it gets at least 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. Hibiscus is a water-loving plant. So, water the plant well. Water the plant until the water comes out from drainage hole. Next watering should be done when the top inch of soil get dry. Hibiscus do best in well-drained fertile soil. Most hibiscus prefer a slightly acidic soil. I have already made a video on how to make potting mix. You can watch this video, link in the description box. Pruning is very important for more flowers. As we can see, my plant don't have any flower bud right now. So I'm going to prune this plant. Pruning hibiscus annually stimulates new growth with flower buds. Pruning should be done as soon as the weather warms up. Dead, damaged or diseased stems should be pruned at any time as soon as you notice them. After pruning, plants need nutrients for healthy growth. Here I have taken a handful of compost which encourages new growth and a little bit of used tea leaves which make soil slightly acidic as hibiscus love a little acidic soil. Banana peel rich in potassium, neem cake powder, an organic fertilizer and pest repellent. Egg cell provide calcium and a pinch of fungicide powder. Pruning not only encourages new bloom but also make plant more bushy. Mealybugs and spider mites become problem when humidity level is not high enough. Another potential pest is aphids. You can use imidacloprid to get rid of it. Spray neem oil solution in a week to prevent all these pests. Regular showering water also much effective to prevent pests. Bud dropping mostly happen because of overwatering or underwatering. So keep eyes on your watering schedule. Sometimes we also see the leaves turn yellow. If you see your plant's leaves turning yellow, it could be sudden change in weather condition, not watering correctly, or deficiency in nutrients. For more nutrients, I am using seaweed fertilizer which contain micronutrients, amino acid and vitamins which enhance plant metabolism and growth. Instead of that, you can use NPK fertilizer. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.